In this video, I'm making a Nourish Bowl with crispy sweet potatoes, feta cheese, egg bites, some oven roasted chickpeas with cinnamon, walnuts, and a drizzle of hot honey sauce. Since I started my weight loss journey a year ago in March of 2024, and have lost almost 60 pounds, I look for healthy recipes in the morning that, first of all, have a lot of protein, fiber, and fat. And this combination has all of them. This has become one of my favorites, and I hope it will become one of yours as well. That said, let's go ahead and get into the recipe. To make this Nourish Bowl, I'm using 6 eggs, a can of garbanzo beans, some crumbled feta, a couple of sweet potatoes. I've also got a bit of milk, olive oil, paprika, salt and pepper. And for some sweetness and crunch, I'm adding some dried cranberry, walnuts, and to finish it off, I'm gonna use a little bit of hot honey. Then I'm gonna chop up my sweet potatoes, put them in a bowl and drizzle them with some olive oil, a little bit of paprika, then sprinkle with salt and pepper. And then put them on a baking sheet and put them in the oven at 450 degrees for 30 minutes. Then when they come out, sprinkle them with a little bit of parsley for some added flavor. For the egg feta bites, I whisked together 6 eggs, whisk the eggs together. Then I add a 1/4 cup of milk and I give it a quick mix to combine. Then I'm going to season with about a teaspoon of oregano, an 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of the red pepper flakes, and around a teaspoon of salt. Then let's go ahead and give it another quick whisk. Then fold in your feta cheese and give that a whisk as well. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I make healthy recipes every week, and I'd love to have you along for the journey. Then give it another whisk. And then pour your batter into these silicone egg muffin tins. Then add your eggs to a 350-degree oven and let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then when they're done, they should look like this. They should be nice and poofed up and golden in color. Now we can toast our walnuts to give them a little extra flavor in a dry skillet on about medium-high for about 5 to 7 minutes. And here is all our ingredients. Now it's time to assemble the Nourish Bowl. To start with, I have a 1/2 cup of sweet potatoes, and then I'm going to add 2 of my feta egg bites, And then next I'm going to spoon on some of my roasted chickpeas. I have a full recipe for this in another video, and I'll link it here on the screen so you can check it out. Then I sprinkle a few dried cranberries. And then some walnuts. And then a little bit more walnuts. And then if you like, you can finish it off with a little bit of more feta cheese. And then I'm going to add just a handful of fresh arugula. And some spinach. Way to sweeten the whole Nourish Bowl. It's really good like this. Give it a try. This is how they turned out, really guys. Super delicious and great flavor combinations. You have to give this a try. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this Nourish Bowl gives you a little inspiration for your mornings. You'll find all the ingredients and details in the blog post listed in the description of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and feel free to share these recipes with your friends and family. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.